Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for coming to this presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Utami. Today I'd like to talk to you about adapting to the changing workplace. First, I will explain reason for a changing workplace. Changing workplace is not a simple thing. There are several reasons someone has when a changing workplace. First, higher salary. There is a promising job offer with a higher salary. Why not? Some people can look for another job with better salaries. Second, new challenges. Feeling bored with daily work? Or no more challenges? You can change your career and new skill. Third, different needs. The salary earned is not enough to meet financial need. For example, the need when living alone are different when married. So, it doesn't matter if some people to take opportunity in a new career. Fourth, career prospects are no longer promising. The career see no more goal to achieve and no longer promising. Causes such as technological advance, economic changes, or growing industries. So, some people decide to change their career. Third, different needs. The salary earned is not enough to meet financial need. For example, the need when living alone are different when married. So, it doesn't matter if some people to take opportunity in a new career. Fourth, career prospects are no longer promising. The career see no more goal to achieve and no longer promising. Causes such as technological advance, economic changes, or growing industries. So, some people decide to change their career. Next, burnout. What is burnout? Burnout is a chronic stress condition when a feeling physically, mentally, and emotionally exhausted because of their work. Even if work is your passion, it doesn't mean you will avoid burnout. So, make sure that you need to change a career, not just look for a new job. Next, looking for work-life balance. Increasing awareness of mental health and a work-life balance can be the one of the reason why someone look for another job. Next, add new skill. Being in the same work environment with different positions and responsibilities makes someone an expert in their work. However, it could be that his expertise is limited to the scope of his daily work. So, some people choose new career to add new skill that have never learned before. Then, I will explain what is the importance of adapting to change in the workplace. Flexibility and workplace adaptability are critical skills for employees to change successfully. First, overcome resistance to change. The work habits that are no longer relevant causing resistance to change. However, being adaptive to change allows employees to overcome this fear and embrace change. You can also practice change management exercise to anticipate future concerns and reduce nervous energy that might arise due to change. Second, make you a more valuable employee. Being adaptable helps you handle this change and all associated challenges with ease, making you a valuable team member of your company. Third, increases workplace satisfaction. Changes such as organizational restructuring, digital transformation, and merger and acquisition often threaten employee stability. However, if you're willing to adapt to workplace change, you will more easily manage your stress level and be onboarded with new processes. Fourth, help you stay relevant. With ongoing rapid technological advancement across industries, staying relevant in your chosen profession is essential. The more adaptable you are, the more quickly you embrace a new way of doing things, such as learning a new skill, implementing a new workplace application or system, new processes, or new digital strategies. Next, I will explain tips for adapting to change in the workplace. The new workplace will not be the same as the old workplace. Adapting a new workplace is important that cannot be avoided. First, maintain a positive attitude. Being optimistic and maintain a good attitude regardless of what new company or department you're working with. Think about how you can best leverage your skill, experiences, and work to maximize new role. Second, embrace change. Understand that change is a part of life, both in our personal and professional life. By recognizing and accepting that change is a natural occurrence in the workplace, we can more quickly adapt when it happens. Try to look at the opportunities that come with the change. Third, prepare yourself for the upcoming change. Taking a proactive approach to prepare beforehand drives you one step closer to adapting to change successfully. Plan in advance to deal with any adversities and create a strong backup plan in the event you need support. Fourth, change your mindset with a new perspective. Being stuck in comfort zone and self-limited belief can disrupt consequence of change. Change your mindset. Although feel uncomfortable, our mindset enables us to active positive change. Next, set new goal for yourself. Setting new milestone will shift your focus toward action that will help you attain your goals. This goal will empower you to find success in any change initiative. Next, communicate it with others to learn your new role. After you get moved into your new role, you should quickly find all of stakeholders that you rely on and connect with them. Find those that have already been in your role and get them to teach you everything you need to know so you can get up speed. Next, focus on what you can control. Allow yourself to be flexible with your work and shoulder the responsibilities you have control over. Provide you with action items that help you drive the success large change initiative. Next, learn new skill. Make a list of skills that are required for your new role and developing those skills based on the type of work you have to do. For each skill, give yourself a deadline to master it so that you can quickly become an expert and increase your value. Next, stay connected to previous coworkers. Never forget about the people you've already had the chance to work with. Sometimes they could help you on a project. The last I will explain, make the right adaptation and work comfortably. First, adapting a new workplace is a separated requirement for those who have changed jobs. Second, do everything necessary when in the new workplace. Third, no need to worry, you can adapt naturally. So, everything I explained are important things in adapting in a new workplace. So, let's answer the presentation. That's all from me. I hope what I have shared would be beneficial for all of us. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.